Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video we're gonna learn about how you can fuck the Windows 10 and install a new Windows 11. In this video I will tell you full process step by step, so don't miss any step. If you miss any step it might get error. But before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and the Windows 11 ISO file is Google Drive, link in my description. So from that, first of all go and download the ISO file, then let's continue the video. लेकिन वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको एक चीज़ बता देना चाहता हूँ कि आप अपने पीसी का या लैपटॉप का बैकअप क्रिएट कर ले, क्योंकि इस प्रोसेस में आपका फाइल जो है डिलीट भी हो सकता है। तो मैंने क्या किया, अपने कंप्यूटर को ही फॉर्मेट कर दिया एंड न्यू विंडोज़ 11 जो है वो इंस्टॉल कर रहा हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अब। वेलकम बैक। So first you need to download the virtual machine and then open it and click on new. After clicking on new, you have to give the file name. So I'm giving here Windows 11 to specify that. After giving that, you have to choose Windows 764-bit, your version, and click on next. And here's the RAM. You can give the RAM as per as you. I'm giving it 4 GB, and then create, and then next, and then next, then you have to give next, then it is created very easily. Then go to settings. After going to settings, go to advanced. Then as per I'm actually doing the voice over here, so what I'm doing, just copy it. Then go to storage, then go to empty and import the ISO file that you have been downloaded from my description. Click on add and choose the ISO file which you have downloaded. So click choose and click on OK. After clicking on OK, here click to start and the Windows 10 will start. मतलब virtual machine जो है आपका वो start हो जाएगा. And here you can see the interface of Windows 11, the Windows installing. And from there, go to full screen mode. After going to full screen mode, click on next and click on install now. The setup will start installing. I don't have a product key, click on that. After clicking on that, click on this Windows 11 Pro and click on next. Then click on I accept blah blah blah, then click on next. Then click on custom install. Then click on your drive and click on next. After clicking on next, all the files will be copying from there. I'm giving you fast, I'm making it fast. So it's time for completing. It's completed and Windows need to restart to continue. ऐसा आपको कुछ दिखाया जाएगा यहाँ पर. Then it will be installed on the virtual machine and it will restart. Click and the Windows will be start. It's fucking simple. So you can see here our brand new Windows 11 has been installed on our virtual machine. Now we have to choose the location, languages and fill up that. So I'm not voice overing that, only just you see what I'm doing in this video. So now you can see our Windows 11 has finally installed in our computer or laptop. So don't forget to subscribe guys. मिलता है जल्दी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।